Alright, boys and girls, so it's the last day of the week, and we've been talking about doubles all week. So I have a bit of a trick for you today. So first, put your name at the top. And then what we're going to do is be going backwards. So we're doing number bonds, and so the answer to the doubles is going to go in the big circle at the top. So if I look at 4 and 4, that answer is 8. So I'm going to write it up there in the top of the number bond. In a couple of weeks, we're going to be talking more about number bonds. And so this is a good preview of that. So 7 plus 7, what is that answer? Yeah, it's 14, so we're going to put it up there. 2 plus 2 is 4. 10 plus 10, that's 20. 0 plus 0 is just 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. 3 plus 3 is 6. And the last one is 12. Very good. All right, turn it over on the back. We've been doing this all week, and today I want you to do the same thing. We're going to actually try using our number line to count to some bigger numbers. So let's try the first one. We start on 9, and we're going to hop 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. We landed on 12. 5 plus 7. We start on 5. We hop 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. We stopped on 12. 8 plus 6. Start on 8. Hop 6 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 14. 15 plus 4. Even though these are bigger numbers, you can still do it. 15. Hop 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 19. This is using last week's strategy called counting on and using our number line. So 12 plus 6, we start on 12. We go up 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 9. An easier way to do that is just to start on 9 and just go 2 spots. So 9, 1, 2. It's 11. Okay. Now I want you to try on your own. So push pause on the video, try the last 2 rows, and then push play to check your answers with mine. All right. 10 plus 5, check your answer. It should be 15. 8 plus 4 is 12. 17 plus 1 is 18. 6 plus 6, I recognize that as a double strategy. 12. Did you guys recognize that too? 9 plus 5 is 14. Check yours. 14 plus 6 is 20. 17 plus 2 is 19. 10 plus 8 is 18. 4 plus 7 is 11. 20 plus 0 is 20. 8 plus 7 is 15. And did you recognize the other doubles? That one is 18. So good job, boys and girls, with your work this week and doing our double strategy, and turn this into your teacher.